Already. How's that leg? Is that hurting?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, good. And there it goes.
Deep breath for me, bro. All the way out. Blow it all the way out. Beautiful. Oh, hello. That was a lot. You okay?
Yeah.
Deep breath, one more time. Good. Perfect. All right, let's go face up. We want movement. It's the same thing up here, bud. Oh. You okay?
Yes.
That was tight.
There we go. Good. Very cool. So, just a big deep breath for me. There you go. Let it all out. There you go. Perfect. All right. That's good. So this is what happens when you're training day in and day out. You start to fall apart. Am I right? It's why adjustments. There we go. All right, on your back for me are so important. On your other back. Oh yeah. Big hug. There we go. And a little bit over there. Perfect. All right. All right. And a little bit right here. Perfect. All right.
So same thing, round boys are tight. Your neck is tighter than his mid-back was tighter. All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Good. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yeah.
While you're here, I'm gonna... Beautiful. So relax as much as you can. You ready? Deep breath for me and relax. Good. There we go. Yeah. See, you get headaches. That's why your upper back is tight.
Am I alive?
Yes, you're alive. One more. You're smiling. That's a good sign. Yeah, look.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, you bring your whole body over, Alexis. That's it. Let's put your arm into the right line of correction. Just let your body relax there, Alex. I'm going to push this a little bit, and once it's in the right spot, I'm just going to give it a little correction. Good.
Okay, nice and relaxed, Will, okay? Alright. Good, you're pretty trusting in here, you're letting me do it. He's not fighting me at all. Just gonna take a nice little adjustment right here. Oh, good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, good. Whoa. Good, wow.
Страшно? Да. О! Сука!
Женя, думай о чем приятном.
Тебе что?
Знаю.
Хотя бы.
Сам только не кривляйся.
All the way out. Good. Nice. Deep breath again. All the way out. Nice. So that's going to help with the lungs as well. So that's going to be huge for you as an athlete.
This is real.
You thought I was making it up and those noises were made up?
Yeah, I thought it was a paper.
I know, right? Relax for a deep breath. All the way out. Oh, man, there goes our... Nice. I love athletes. Face that way for me.
Better on it?
So yes, that side we brought up, this side we got to bring down.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. This. Deep breath for me. All the way out. All right, buddy, relax for me. Here we go. Nice. Alex.
Oh my
Nice.
God.
That was good, bro. Beautiful. As the blood rushes up there. How'd that feel?
Thanks guys for watching our video and supporting us. It has been a great journey and we promise to keep updating. So if you liked our video, hit the thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe and keep updated. So peace till the next time.